Savings account. A savings account is the most common type of bank account, designed mainly to store money safely while earning a small amount of interest. It has been around for centuries, evolving as banks began encouraging people to deposit their extra money instead of keeping it at home. What makes it different is its focus on saving rather than spending, so it usually comes with limits on withdrawals or transactions. It matters because it helps people build financial discipline while still keeping their money accessible when needed. Current account. A current account is built for frequent and everyday transactions, especially for businesses and professionals who deal with money regularly. Unlike a savings account, it usually does not offer interest, but it allows unlimited deposits and withdrawals. This type of account became important as trade and commerce expanded, requiring faster and more flexible banking. Its real value lies in convenience, making it easier to handle payments, salaries, and business expenses without restrictions. Fixed deposit account. A fixed deposit account allows you to lock your money for a specific period in exchange for higher interest. It has its roots in traditional banking systems where stability and long-term savings were rewarded. What makes it unique is that you cannot withdraw the money easily before maturity without penalties. It matters because it encourages long-term financial planning and offers a safer way to grow money compared to many risky investments. Recurring deposit account. A recurring deposit account is designed for people who want to save a fixed amount regularly over time. Instead of depositing a large sum at once, you contribute monthly, and the bank provides interest on the total amount. This system became popular as a way for middle-income earners to build savings gradually. Its importance lies in discipline, helping individuals create a steady habit of saving without needing a large initial amount. Salary account. A salary account is a type of savings account specifically opened by employers to pay their employees. It often comes with zero minimum balance requirements and extra benefits like free services or lower fees. As companies grew and payroll systems became more organized, this type of account became standard. It matters because it simplifies how salaries are managed and gives employees easy access to their earnings. Joint account. A joint account is shared by two or more people, often family members or business partners. It allows all account holders to deposit and withdraw money based on agreed terms. This type of account has long been used to manage shared finances, whether for households or partnerships. Its importance comes from transparency and convenience, making it easier to handle shared expenses and responsibilities. NRI account. An NRI account is meant for non-resident Indians who live abroad but want to manage money in their home country. It comes in different forms, allowing income earned overseas or in India to be handled properly under legal rules. As global migration increased, banks created these accounts to support international financial needs. It matters because it connects people to their home country financially while ensuring compliance with regulations. Demat account. A demat account is used to hold financial securities like stocks and bonds in electronic form instead of physical certificates. It became necessary as stock markets modernized and paper-based systems were replaced with digital records. What makes it different is that it is not for cash storage, but for investments. Its importance lies in making trading safer, faster, and more efficient. Business account. A business account is tailored for companies to manage their financial operations separately from personal finances. It supports large transactions, multiple users, and detailed record keeping. As businesses expanded and financial tracking became more complex, this type of account became essential. It matters because it helps maintain clear financial records and ensures better management of income, expenses, and taxes. Student account. A student account is designed for young individuals, usually with minimal requirements and lower fees. It often includes benefits like no minimum balance and educational tools.
Banks introduced these accounts to encourage financial awareness at a young age. Its importance lies in helping students learn how to manage money responsibly while still studying. Senior Citizen Account. A senior citizen account is created for older individuals, offering higher interest rates and special services. It recognizes the financial needs of retirees who may rely on savings for income. As life expectancy increased, banks adapted to provide more support for this group. It matters because it offers stability and extra benefits during a stage of life where financial security is crucial. Zero Balance Account. A zero balance account allows you to keep an account open without maintaining a minimum balance. It was introduced to make banking accessible to everyone, especially those with limited income. What makes it different is its simplicity and lack of penalties for low balances. It matters because it promotes financial inclusion and ensures that more people can participate in the banking system.